Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to use Bootstrap DatePicker in ASP.NET. Before moving ahead, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. We will start by adding a text box. Already the JS and CSS files of jQuery in Bootstrap have been added to the project. I am setting the read-only property of the text box to true so that user cannot type in. Also, I am adding a button. The button will be used to send the selected date to the server-side function. Now I am starting the application of the plugin. These are the script tags. I am adding the jQuery document ready event handler. jQuery document ready event handler will load the function when the page is loaded in the browser. So that means the plugin will be applied to the text box when the page is completely loaded. Since this is an ASP.NET text box and the IDs can change with master pages, I am using the wildcard function of jQuery to select the text box. Now these are some properties of the Bootstrap DatePicker plugin. Change month true. This allows user to change the month. Change year true. Again, this allows user to change the year. The format of the date, I am using DDMM and language TR, which is again required for this particular date format. So the Bootstrap plugin has been applied. Now what we can do is run and check. So now I am clicking on the text box, calendar is shown, and also it is successfully selecting the date. At present, the submit button is not doing anything. Now let's move to the second part where we'll add the event handler for the submit button. So I'm adding an on-click event handler. Now let's move to the code behind. Here I'll define the event handler. Now I'm declaring a string variable. I'm using request.form collection to fetch the selected date value from the text box using its unique ID, which is nothing but the text box name. .text property sometimes doesn't get the updated value, hence it is better to use request.form collection. Now I am making use of client script.register startup script function. It will be used to display a JavaScript alert message box. This alert message box will display the selected date value which we have already fetched from the request.form collection. The event handler is also ready. Now let's run the code and check it. Now I'm selecting a date. The submit button is clicked, and there you can see the alert message box is displaying the selected date. That's it. Thanks for watching.